Hi, my name is Steve Smith with Intertech Manufacturing. Intertech has had a long and dynamic presence in the geothermal industry. What began as a small regional distributorship has evolved into several distribution companies and ownership of the GeoComfort brand of geothermal heating and cooling equipment. Our success in the industry has always hinged on a relentless pursuit for the best customer service possible and a true dedication to quality products for you, the homeowner. It was that concern that brought us to manufacturing our own products. Intertech Manufacturing now produces GeoComfort geothermal products with the highest heating capacities on the market today, and they're available throughout North America. The company's geothermal roots date back 20 years. We are dedicated to earning homeowner trust from our selection of an honest and qualified dealer network to the innovations and quality that we bring to the industry. For more information on our products or to contact us, please visit www.geocomfort.com.
As you may or may not know, geothermal systems have traditionally cost more to install due to the earth loop component of the system. However, the monthly cost is still lower versus conventional systems due to the radically lower energy fuel requirements. In this example, we're looking at a new, approximately 2,000 square foot home. The numbers we'll be looking at are the cost of fuel and the additional cost the system adds to the mortgage. These numbers also reflect the new 30% U.S. tax credit recently enacted for geothermal systems. A GeoComfort system with electricity and mortgage payments will cost $163 per month. A 14-SEER heat pump system with fuel and energy cost would run $223 per month. A 93% efficient natural gas system with fuel and energy cost would run $225 per month. 80% efficient fuel oil systems would cost you $299 per month. And last, but certainly not the least, a 93% efficient propane system would cost over $343 per month to own and operate. So not only are GeoComfort geothermal systems the environmentally sound choice, they're also the economical choice for your home and family. As Steve said earlier, our relentless pursuit of the best customer service possible and a true dedication to quality products for our end user, the homeowner, is what separates GeoComfort geothermal systems from many other units available. But that's only one part of the beauty that makes up our products. Here's a list of some of the standard features found on all GeoComfort models.
Efficient single and two-stage scroll compressors for maximum comfort and reliability. Compressors are mounted on vibration isolation grommets for quiet operation.
A heavy gauge steel cabinet that's assembled with stainless steel nuts and bolts and not screws. This makes the cabinet rigid and durable.
Eco-friendly, recycled, foil-backed denim insulation, not fiberglass, is used throughout the cabinet for better air quality and quiet operation.
All digital controls keep the unit running efficiently and protected against potential faults. LED diagnostic lights help technicians quickly diagnose any problems should they arise.
Double O-ring fittings make installation quick and prevent any potential leaks.
E-coated air coils ensure better indoor air quality and enhance coil life.
Stainless steel drain pans ensure easy condensation draining as well as complete corrosion resistance.
GeoComfort is committed to the highest industry standards. GeoComfort offers the widest range of geothermal heating and cooling systems. From vertical and horizontal packaged units for forced air heating and cooling, to split systems for limited installation space that work with your existing furnace or air handler, to water-to-water units for radiant floor heating and snow melt, to the best of both worlds with forced air and radiant floor heating combination units. No other manufacturer offers as many sizes and configurations. We also offer a full range of accessories to complement any system. No matter what your need or application, GeoComfort has a system that will save you money and help you live comfortably.
We hope this presentation has been informative and helped to answer some of your questions. Contact your neighborhood GeoComfort dealer by visiting our website at www.geocomfort.com and clicking on the Dealer Locator button. They stand ready to assist and show you how GeoComfort is the best choice for your home, your family, and the environment. GeoComfort. Live comfortably.